Hi, we are from Group 7, and today we would like to explain about our assignment. Uh, in this group, there are me, Megat Muhammad Adi bin Abdul Rahman, Muhammad Shukri bin Muhammad Ramli, and Muhammad Syami bin Muhammad Nazri. So, for our assignment, we choose the topic of parking booking system. So, there are three mains. The first one is the visitor. Visitor is the customer who will book the parking slot. Next is the user. User is the staff that will handle the booking process. And lastly, there are security. Security is the authorization that controls the whole system. Okay, now I will pass to Muhammad Syami to explain about the coding part.
Hello, my name is Shahmi and I will present about the coding. First we have the main.js. This is where we initialize the user, visitor and security. User is as known as admin, and then we have the initialization for the Swaggle, and then we will go to the security.js. Alright, so at first we got the register. This is where it will we will enter the new username and password, and it will check if the username is already exist or not. If not, it will store the new data into the database. And then we got login. This is where we will find the name and password to log in. If the username or password is wrong, it will return the username is wrong or the password is wrong. And then we got the delete. It will find the name, and then if the password is wrong, it will display the password is wrong, but if the password is correct, it will delete the data. And then we got the user.js. This first we got the register. We enter name and password. If the username is exist, it will not register. But if there is no name in the database, it will store the new inserted name into the database. And then we got login, where it will check whether the username and the password is the same as in the database. If the username and password is correct, it will return user. We get the update. We will enter the name, and if the name is the same as in the database, we can update the phone number. And last we got the delete. It will check whether the password is the same as in the database. If the password is same, then it will delete the data. And last but not least, we got the visitor. First we got the register. If there is no data that is the same as in the database, then it will return new visitors registered. And then we get the update visitor username, where it will enter the name, and if the visitor is not in the database, it will return visitor is not exist. And then delete, it will ask for the name, but if the name is not in the database, it will return visitor is not exist. That's all from me. Thank you.